I am HVAC Repair Guy, a former nuclear power electrician with 17 years in the HVAC trade. Today we are pitting the Soleus Air LX-140 against the Midea DUO. The single biggest technical difference here comes down to compressor engineering and efficiency. The Midea utilizes a variable speed inverter compressor, while the Soleus Air relies on a standard fixed speed compressor. Let us look at hose configuration because it directly impacts indoor air pressure and cooling output. Both units feature a dual hose setup. Single hose units dump warm air outside, which creates negative pressure that pulls hot air back into your home. A dual hose design draws outside air across the condenser coil and exhausts it back outside, keeping room air pressure neutral. When we look at compressor technology, the Midea DUO uses a variable speed inverter compressor. The Soleus Air LX-140 uses a single-speed rotary compressor. A single-speed compressor runs at full capacity until it hits the set temperature, then shuts off and restarts when the room warms up. That constant starting inrush current pulls heavy electricity and creates temperature swings. The Midea variable speed ramps down power as it nears set point, maintaining steady temperatures and drawing less amperage. This compressor difference translates directly into operational efficiency with the Soleus Air LX-140 at an EER of 8.7 and the Midea DUO at 10.8. A higher EER number means more BTUs of cooling per watt of electricity consumed. Over a full summer season, running a 10.8 EER unit will keep your electric bill noticeably lower than running an 8.7 EER unit under the same load. Sound ratings also favor modern inverter engineering with the Soleus Air LX-140 at 46 decibels and the Midea DUO at 42 decibels. Because decibels operate on a logarithmic scale, a 4 decibel drop is a noticeable reduction in perceived loudness. The inverter runs the compressor at lower speeds, preventing loud mechanical thuds associated with single-speed cycling. From a maintenance perspective, both units require regular filter cleaning to maintain airflow across the evaporator coil. Regarding smart controls, the Midea DUO includes built-in Wi-Fi and voice control, while the Soleus Air LX-140 offers neither. Remote scheduling prevents running the compressor unnecessarily when nobody is home, which saves energy and extends component lifespan. Looking at warranty coverage, both manufacturers back these units with a 1-year general warranty and a 1-year compressor warranty. Because the compressor is the sealed heart of the system, a short warranty means failures after year 1 often lead to replacing the whole appliance. In terms of market pricing, the Soleus Air LX-140 sits around $480, while the Midea DUO retails near $520. That $40 price gap disappears quickly when you account for the efficiency gains. The clear recommendation here is the Midea DUO. Its higher 10.8 EER rating variable speed inverter, compressor, and quieter 42 decibel operation outweigh the minor upfront price difference. The Midea DUO delivers far lower ownership costs over time.